With this SyndLab web application, you can automatically syndicate your content on more than 30 social media networks to get fast page rank for your niche sites and your videos. It is essentially a content distribution and management platform that allows you to syndicate and distribute your content across all networks with just a few push buttons. It's a great way to push your audience to their limits and put your blog or website on the road to success. With the syndication process, you can easily use your content on the Google rankings on page 1 in just 48 hours. You will be able to attract potential buyers who will eventually lead to sales. The nice thing about SyndLab is that you can immediately syndicate or schedule content for a later date. With this version 2.0 Pro, you have full control over your business and automatically rank the first page on Google. SyndLab 2.0 has just ended and is full of new features. Get the first ranking of websites and videos, all in one click. Create more than 30 social syndicates on any URL. An integrated planner to plan up to 14 days in advance. Easily export your campaigns. How does it work? Everything you need to do is described in 4 steps. Step 1. Decide whether to rank or syndicate your video, blog, or site. Step 2. Select all the sites from which you want to syndicate your content. It allows you to syndicate up to 30+ different social networking sites. Step 3. Choose whether you want to start immediate syndication or just schedule it for a future date in the future. Step 4. Now sit back and relax while SyndLab syndicates your sites and content. This will also automatically drive visitors to your website, increasing your Google ranking, which will lead to more sales. So what's new in SyndLab 2.0? That's what brings us to our 2.0 version. SyndLab is now new and improved with a powerful syndication engine that's unmatched on the marketplace to deliver you faster syndications of your content, faster rankings of your websites and videos, and ultimately faster results, more traffic and more profit. Upgrade details completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications, upped their syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, increased to 51 sites for Auto 1. Added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and indexing. Added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication. Integrated with the one photo sharing site, Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. They have literally a list of about 25 upgrades they have made for 2.0. Although cards have been played close to the chest and only a handful have been released so far. So what does this mean for you? Quickly and easily syndicate their videos and/or niche sites across all their networks. Be able to get fast page 1 rankings through the power of social syndication backlinks. Be able to have their blog posts go viral by syndicating their content on all social platforms. Be able to post instantly or schedule posts for the future. And much more. Can't reveal it all just yet,